Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to HalalTech STEM, your home for innovation, education, and inspiration. I'm standing here in the heart of our laboratory, surrounded by brilliant minds who are all part of the HalalTech family. Just like me, they're passionate about one thing: shaping the future through the power of STEM, all while upholding our values. So what is HalalTech all about? We're on a mission to ignite curiosity and empower the next generation of thinkers, creators, and leaders. We believe that science, technology, engineering, and mathematics are incredible tools given to us to build a better world. Our goal is to make these fields accessible, exciting, and deeply relevant to our communities. Look around. Every project you see here, from complex robotics to sustainable energy solutions, is driven by a desire to solve real-world problems. We're not just building gadgets, we're building hope. We innovate by tackling challenges with creativity and ethical principles at our core. Think of it as engineering with a purpose, creating technology that serves humanity and respects our principles. But innovation is only half the story. The E in STEM stands for education, and that's a cornerstone of what we do. We're creating amazing educational content, hands-on workshops, and mentorship programs designed for everyone, from young students just starting their journey to professionals looking to upskill. We want to demystify complex topics and show you that you have the potential to be an innovator. We're here to guide you, support you, and provide the resources you need to succeed. And finally, inspiration. We want to share stories of incredible individuals who are making a difference in STEM. We want to showcase the beauty and wonder of the world through a scientific lens and inspire you to dream big. Our vision is a future where our community is at the forefront of technological advancement, leading with knowledge, integrity, and faith. This is more than just a brand. It's a movement to build, to learn, and to inspire. Whether you're a student, a parent, an educator, or just someone curious about the future, there's a place for you here at HalalTech STEM. So, join us on this incredible journey. Explore our videos, engage with our content, and become part of our growing family. Together, let's unlock the amazing potential that lies within STEM and build a brighter, more innovative future for all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all our exciting projects. Welcome to the future. Welcome to HalalTech STEM. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Follow our journey on all our social media platforms. Welcome to the HalalTech family.